Maybe you've seen the headlines. BC Parks Foundation protects another beautiful place. But what happens after we protect those places, especially if they've been logged or disturbed in the past? In 2023, you helped to protect 500 acres of land along the Cowichan River, but a lot of these forests have been logged in the past. Its restoration is being led by our partners, the Cowichan Cultural Connection Society. Members and the family have already planted 1,000 red cedar trees, and this week, youth guardians are receiving training in the land for the long-term stewardship of the area. With this information, they can take management actions so the western red cedars can take root and grow.
Guardians are kind of like the eyes and the ears on the land. They get to know the land, they get to understand the land from a cultural perspective, being ambassadors for the nations and having that understanding of why these places are important.
This training is super helpful for us so that we can hopefully help and continue to protect this land. I want the next generation and generations to continue having a healthy place to live and grow up. And restoration of old growth and pay, which is the Halkaminum word for western red cedar, is super important. They are a cultural keystone species for nations here, and we want to protect and preserve that species.
The Good News headlines is just a tiny part of the long story of how communities have been taking care of these lands for generations, and how, when we work together, we can restore it, strengthening the resilience of the forest and the resilience of the people who care for it.